Good sa pre. Go, sinay sa gamay, Gus.
Okay.
Okay, intro pre.
So, good day, sir. So, with my pair, Dick Cadet Shannon Jethro C. Lido. So, today we will talk about our topic today is about contraceptive patch. So, this is the contraceptive patch is a small adhesive square worn on the skin or upper arm or abdomen, back or buttocks. Like in the picture, like you can see, there's a picture there. And the second one is it releases synthetic estrogen and progestin through the skin into the bloodstream. So it typically flow in your bloodstream. Then so typically used to apply one patch weekly for 3 weeks, then one patch for 3 week for withdrawal bleeding. So we have the third page. So we have talking about the advantage and disadvantages. So first one, the advantage is once a weekly application. So easier than paid. So the disadvantage is skin irritation or allergic reaction at application site. So maybe some may be person have allergic. So the advantage we have high effectiveness when used quickly. So the disadvantages is not protective against STIs or we have like AIDS, HIV, like that. So it cannot be not interrupt intimacy. The disadvantages is less effective in people over certain weights and requires prescription like overweight weight. So the fourth page.
So, effectiveness, cost, and availability. Effectiveness. Typically used effectiveness is about 91 to 93%. Perfect use is a higher comparable to other combined hormonal methods. So, cost. Out of pocket cost varies by country and insurance. In many places, most monthly cost ranges widely and may be covered or subsidized by health plans. So available by prescription in most countries. Several brands exist. Brand names are very vary by market and pharmacists or clinics can advise an option. So based on my research in the Philippines, availability is limited and inconsistent. Some sources indicate it may not be widely accessible or stocks can be sparse, and it often requires a doctor's prescription. So, a pack of 3 patches of once a month is reported around 500 to 800 pesos in some listings, but it can vary always confirmed in a pharmacy or clinic. So, so in many countries like US, UK, parts of the Europe, the contraceptive patch like Evra, Ortho, Ortho Evra or Sulain is available by prescription at clinics, pharmacies or through telehealth services. So, reflection. So, we found the contraceptive patch to be a convenient and effective birth control option, especially for those who prefer not to take daily pills. Its weekly use makes it easy to manage, but we also learned that it is not suitable for everyone due to health risks like blood clots. Overall, we believe it's a good choice for many as long as it's used under medical guidance. And that's all for our
So that's all.
topic. So this method is about natural family planning method.